Oh, what do we have here? Today we have simple traffic stop leads to 100+ shots fired. Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it. All right, we got a simple traffic stop. That's a red flag right there. What the hell?
Good evening. I'm Officer Herzog, Lion Police Department. The reason I stopped you, there's a stop bar back there. You were over top of it. That's the reason I stopped you, okay? Oh. You had to stop prior to the stop bar.
Oh.
Where are you guys coming from?
Okay.
Friend's house. Where you guys headed to now? Just you two? I can't see back here. If there's anybody else back here?
My buddy.
Oh, your buddy's back here too? Okay, that's fine. Where are you guys headed to now?
My home.
Where do you live at?
Over here on Norval.
On Norval? Perfect. You guys have IDs on you real quick?
You know me.
Do I?
Yeah.
From what?
Richard X.
Oh, really? Yeah, I remember now. Okay, yeah.
I do not have my ID on me.
You don't? Do you have a driver's license? Let's be honest with me.
No.
You don't.
Why is you driving if you ain't got your driver's license? I don't understand that. If you don't got a driver's license or you don't know your driver's license number by heart, like I do, because I'm pretty badass, why are you driving? And then I'm sure not gonna be driving a car with no trash bag on the window. That's an automatic red flag. You basically telling the officers, pull me over, please, pretty, please. Damn.
You know, what's his name? Can I ask him this information?
Her eyes freak me out. Not gonna lie to you. Don't like the outliner on it. Just saying.
Can you ask him what a social is if he doesn't mind? Yeah, what's your social?
Also, it's a bunch of people in that motherfucker.
Perfect. Okay. Nothing against you guys at all. There's nothing crazy in this car. No guns, no bombs. That. Nothing crazy. Perfect. Give me 1 second, okay?
They might have been messing around. Oh, that's Grandpa.
What's up? What? Get who out of here? What guys? What did? What?
What happened? Whoa. What did we miss?
Hold on. Get him out. Hold on. Hey,
Oh! Shoot!
hey,
Oh! Y'all gotta take cover! Oh shit! Boy, I would have had piss all down my uniform pants.
I'm hit.
Oh my God! Bro hiding in the bushes. What the fuck is going on? Who's doing the shooting? No! See, this is why them officers be so antsy when they be doing these calls. They doing a simple traffic stop, try to get your money necessarily. So I get it. But I don't agree with somebody risking their life for some stupid shit. And that is heartbreaking. You telling me I got to get paid 86, 60, 50, 60, 70,000 a year just to deal with this shit? Oh, you can have that. Ain't no way. Oh, what? Y'all dumbasses was the one that's shooting.
Send units. I'm hit.
Woo! I don't even know what's going on right now, bro. But I wouldn't be helping. Hey, you better drag it out. That's all I got to say.
Where they at? You good, Matt? Where's he at?
Boy, ain't nobody coming to check that. They got a whole gun in there.
White male, flat bill, Carhartt jacket. Don't know if he's 77 still. I'm hit twice. I don't know the status of others.
Be careful, be careful.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
30 good to approach.
Show me your f***ing hands now! Show me your hands now! That's good! I ain't shooting nobody! Who's in there? My crew! Who's in the back seat? Back seat occupant, open the door! Suspect's in the back seat. Suspect's back seat, white male.
That's crazy.
He's in the back seat, He's in the back seat. Beside the bush, over here. Watch the back seat. I don't know.
Get out of the car now!
Get out of the car.
Stop! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Where is he? Who's in the back seat? Stay on the ground! Where is he? Where is he?
He's in the back seat.
He's in the back
Why would y'all let off that many shots over a traffic ticket?
seat.
Oh shit! Oh, he done.
Matches on the other side! Stop! Matches on the other side!
Hands up!
What the fuck?
Hands up!
Oh!
Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Station shot fire! Shot fire! Max! I'm right here! I'm right here! Move up! Move, move, move! Back 3, I'm just to the west of the suspect. I'm west of the suspect in the bushes. Back seat! Back seat! Back seat! Where's Matt? Where is Matt?
I didn't do nothing, I swear to God.
Matt! I'm hit. Where you at, brother? I'm hit right here in the arm. I'm hit in the arm. Left arm, left arm, left arm.
Where's your tourniquet?
Hold on, stop, stop, stop.
Where's your
It's
tourniquet?
on my... Give me your hands! Got a gun!
How is he still alive?
Show me your hands!
Hey, guys, back up, back up.
Back up, back up, back up. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Somebody cuff him!
Why your ass don't want to do it, little scary ass? Get your fat ass over there and cover him up. Talk about somebody need to do it. Somebody, you the closest one, motherfucker. Talk about somebody need to, boy. You if you don't get your scary ass on, boy.
Go around. Go around. Hey, where's our other officers? Where's our other officers? Who else?
They had some bad intentions. I hope this girl don't get, cited for this, but come on, y'all. That's crazy.
I don't know.
I think it's just the arm, dude. You're good.
God damn it.
I'm gonna pull you out, bud. Give me your gun. Give me your gun. Let me get this.
God damn it.
You're all right. We gotta drag him out.
I can't see his other hand.
We can't see hands.
My hands are up. Don't you f***ing move. Hey, this guy right here, his hand's tucked under him, okay?
We cannot see his right hand. We
He's not
cannot.
moving.
Get inside, get inside.
So we need to try to get this hand out. I'm gonna cross in front, okay? So, Sarge? Hey, from that side. I got one hand. Hold on, wait.
We're gonna drag
It's
you out,
not
bud.
on tight enough. It's not on tight enough.
We're gonna drag you out.
We're gonna drag
you first,
Okay, hold on.
We're gonna drag you out.
Oh, ow, ow.
It hurts. It hurts. Hold on, bud.
Yeah, what the fuck y'all pulling on me for, boy? I'm about to curse y'all ass out.
This wasn't a random attack, but something the shooter Jeffrey had actually been planning for a while.
What?
And we'll soon learn why.
Why?
Moving. He's not moving. Find that other hand.
I can't see it. He's breathing. He's
He is
making
breathing,
noise.
so be careful.
Be careful. He's breathing. He's making noise.
Hey, guys, go ahead and back out of that car, just in case, dude. Just in case, guys. Bryson, get out, just in case.
Crystal! I was just in a shootout! I was just in a shootout!
Girl, you wasn't in a shootout.
We all hit you.
checking him. Keep checking him. This should just be the arm.
It should be just the arm.
You got a knife? Yeah, I do. I got shears.
Do not make any sudden movements, dude. Do not move. Do not move.
Do not move, bro.
We got the EMS here. Do not move.
Yeah.
The gun is under your chest.
I didn't shoot nobody. It was Emerson shot the cops. Emerson shot the cops like a goddamn dumbass. What am I doing?
Ow! Fuck!
It's gonna hurt, dude. I'm sorry, dude.
Oh, it's gonna hurt, man. God damn it!
Where's your shoes at?
You got it. Oh.
Hey, don't come this way.
Oh.
You're good, dude.
Oh.
That's-
You're good, dude. I got you.
God damn it!
Golly.
Yes!
Do not go for that gun.
I would be super fucking nervous because what? Whoa. No. Hell nah. You go for that gun, I'm smoking your ass. Y'all, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Yeah.
Not move.
Maybe he wanted to be DOC though, death of a cop. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what, death by a cop. I'm sorry, because that's what it's given. That's what it sounds like. It's looking like it's about to happen.
In the trunk.
We got pulled over. And he said, guys, I can't do this. They're going to have to kill me. And I'm like, don't do it, Emerson. Don't do it. And he fucking...
How did she not? All those bullets ringing out. How did she not get shot though?
He shot at the cops and it was a whole shootout. And Dallas got shot. Dallas, my dude.
So why was he in the car with y'all then? I'm so lost right now.
Hey, we're in the officer here, right here.
I hope the officer makes it.
I got. Just rip it. Oh! Can you slide that left hand out?
Right.
I don't like it. I don't either.
No.
No!
No.
Don't you move!
Dude, my mom's car's all f***ing shot up. I'm f***ing bleeding everywhere in the back of this cop car. Everybody's here. SWAT team, motherfucking sheriff, everybody's here.
I'll drag you out. You understand that? He need that. He's in the back. Hold on, come back.
Here, I got a second. You got a second? All right. Right hand, right. Sarge, you're going to have to lift your foot.
I just want to know if Dallas is okay.
I hope so.
Can you tell me that? The Dallas was the one in the passenger seat, not the one with the gun. Emerson, what the f***? How did you... Why would someone be that stupid?
Looks like that one in the forearm, one in the bicep.
You're good, dude. You're good. Hey.
Let me know if your left leg hurts.
No, it's just my arm that hurts. It's numb. It's just numb.
Damn.
Well, you got a tourniquet on, so it's definitely going to be numb.
You okay? So, we'll take a knee check her, please. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Were you backing him up?
Yeah, I was here.
Where's the park? Go have a seat. Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's gotta be the worst part about being a cop is having to deal with shit like this.
Yeah, give me a fuck up.
Just sit up for now. Sit up for now. You still with this, dude?
Hear me, buddy? Hands in them.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm good. I think it's just my arm, guys.
Yeah. You're good. You're good. You did a great job. Okay? You did a great job.
Yeah, she did an amazing job and kept. Yeah, she deserves an award for this shit.
Okay.
You're okay.
I can't hear anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You good, dude? Okay. Good job. Both of you. Great job.
You guys are alive. Matt is alive. Okay. He's okay. All right.
Facts.
You guys handle business. Okay.
Matt, you good, brother. Somebody else still work. Wait for the road. Wait for the road.
I wouldn't want nobody else with me but her backing me up. She handled the business. Along with the other officers.
I need to call my parents and my wife.
Real quick. Don't talk to anybody about the incident. Don't talk to anybody. Okay. All right. Only thing we're worried about, you guys are okay. We're not talking about it. Okay. So, if anybody asks you about anything, we're not doing that. Okay.
Baby. You can just start to say he does. Hi. See, I had Bree. Call my mom. No, I'm not. Bree, I'm in the back of a ambulance. I got shot twice.
While Officer Metz and Dallas were lucky enough not to sustain life-threatening gunshot wounds, 35-year-old Jeffrey, on the other hand, had multiple bullet wounds all over his body.
How the fuck did he survive that? Bro, how?
He had to be airlifted that night as his condition worsened. Following the incident, 7 officers, including
See, everything always happening in Ohio. This is why I stayed up. I'm never going to Ohio a day in my life ever again.
Officer Metz,
I rode through there when I used to be on the truck, but fuck that.
were placed on paid administrative leave until the investigation concluded. However, this wasn't Jeffrey's first rodeo, as he had already served nearly 4 years in prison for a high-speed pursuit in 2021, which he admitted he initiated because he was attempting suicide by cop. He was released in January 2025.
Why are you trying to do it by the cops? Why you just ain't do it yourself? Like, it's plenty of ways. But why you got to put other people's lives involved? This is so selfish to me. Like, if you're going to do some shit like that, do it. But don't be risking other people's lives that want to live and just trying to protect the sorry and do their job so they can go home, bro. That is so fucked up.
Shooting Officer Metz.
35-year-old Emerson Jeffrey was arraigned on the new charges.
35. That is a hard 35. Do me and him look like we the same age? I'm 33. That is a rough 45. I thought he was 55. Shit. Ooh. It must be like 35 in dog years or something. Boy, damn.
That came down last week from a special Allen County grand jury.
I hope they put his ass in jail to the 12th of February.
Jeffrey is facing 4 counts of felonious assault with specifications of shooting at police officers and shooting from a vehicle. He's also facing
Ooh, look, they front row ready for his stupid ass.
charges of discharging a gun over the roadway and other gun-related charges. If Jeffrey is convicted on all of those charges and gets the maximum sentences, he is facing over 120 years in prison.
Please let his ass go for 120-something years. Please.
Jeffrey's bond is set at $2.5 million, and he's currently in the Allen County Jail after being released from the hospital about 2 weeks after the incident.
Officer Metz and Dallas were discharged after treatment, while Jeffrey's next trial is scheduled for April 27th, 2026. 6 out of the 7 officers who were placed on administrative leave were later called back and assigned non-enforcement roles. Officer Metz is still recovering from the gunshot wounds. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.